Building in Web3 might seem intimidating, but what if I told you it's easier than you think to get started? I've gathered all the information that I wish I knew when I first started, and I'm here to break it all down for you. Hey, I'm back. A DevOps specialist here at Ryzen, and my mission is to make Web3 accessible and fun for everyone, whether you are a seasoned developer or just getting started about. So, let's jump into the tips. Tip number 1. Learning the fundamentals is a no-brainer for any topic, and the same goes for Web3 too. Spend some time watching and reading materials such as blockchain, transactions, smart contracts, and crypto wallets. These are the essential ones. But here's the key part. Don't get lost in the sea of information. Focus on grasping the core ideas and learn the rest as you build. Tip number 2. When picking a blockchain, don't overthink. Unless you are building a specific product, just go with the one that catches your attention. If you can't decide, just flip a coin. Most smart contract-enabled blockchains like Ethereum, Polygon, Cosmos, Solana, and many more will be sufficient. Here's a mini tip. Try to choose a blockchain that supports a programming language that you're already comfortable with. It will make your life easier. I promise. Tip number 3. Every blockchain offers an environment called DevNet and TestNet where you can write, test, and deploy your smart contracts without using any real funds. These environments function almost as same as the original chains. You can obtain free testnet tokens just by searching testnet faucet along with the name of the blockchain that you use. However, there's a slight issue. Some of the blockchains are so valuable that their testnet tokens are sold for real money on black markets. And Bitcoin is a notable example. Why I believe this practice is entirely wrong, this is reality. Tip number 4. Web3 development isn't just about building. It's about building securely. A single bug can lead to losing funds or compromising user data. On top of that, there are blockchain-specific vulnerabilities that you have to watch out for. If you watched our introduction to blockchain video, you may recall the example that a hacker exploiting Ethereum smart contract. This was due to a vulnerability called the reentrancy attack, where an attacker repeatedly calls a function before the last function call is being executed. This leads to unexpected behavior like draining all the funds. Just be cautious of these vulnerabilities, and with careful development, you will be safe. Tip number 5, and it's a sad one. You will face lots of outdated materials like lessons, tutorials, and YouTube videos. This happens because of the rapid development that blockchains are going through. So how can you learn something with outdated sources? Try to focus on the official documentation and the sources that are created within the last 6 months. This might sound scary, but even the official documentations are not up to date at some times. Which brings us to the next step, our savior, Discord. Tip number 6. I can't stress enough the importance of Discord in building Web3. I promise all the answers that you are looking for are in there. Even in Web3, it's unlikely that you are the first person to face that particular problem. You just have to dig by searching some keywords on the Discord channel and you will find your answer. 7th and the final tip. As important as the Discord is for getting answers, X is the best place to get to know the ecosystems and the people within it. Start by following some projects or some famous people from the blockchain that you choose. And X will probably suggest a bunch of related accounts too. Now that you have got the tips to start building in Web3, it's time to start. If you are curious about which programming languages are most useful when learning Web3, we have also covered that. See you around, don't stop, and keep on rising.